Hello and welcome back to Solid Print with me, Benjamin Keyser. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up our all-new UltiMaker S7. UltiMaker have taken the already great S5 and made it even better. With new, advanced features, excellent material capabilities and more reliable printing, the S7 certainly ticks our boxes for being one of the best FFF printers on the market. We have in this box our brand new unit for the showroom, so let's find out what's inside. The new S7 comes with a whole array of incorporated designs to help improve efficiency, workflow and reliability. We can now breathe easy due to the integrated air manager, removing up to 95% of ultrafine particles from the print. The new system also improves your print quality through its enclosed build chamber, ensuring a heat-controlled environment. Part removal has also just been made a lot easier, introducing the new PEI-coated flexible build plate, and the 4 alignment pins allow it to be replaced perfectly every time. And the new probing system on the print head includes an inductive sensor, which probes the build plate with even more accuracy, ensuring that perfect first layer. It's also really easy to upgrade and indeed future-proof the S7. It's completely backwards compatible with the S5, meaning you can actually start printing straight away if you upgrade. And the S7 will only get better with age through its updates to the software and firmware for years to come. Its 1080p camera and flood sensor detection system also ensures that the print is monitored effectively throughout the process, nipping problems in the bud even before they occur. All in all, I think this is a fantastic step forward from UltiMaker in achieving a more efficient, reliable machine with the same great features as its predecessors. Let us know in the comments what you would utilise the UltiMaker S7 in your company for. And if you would like any further information, to order a sample part or just to chat, then please do get in touch via info@solidprint3d.co.uk if you want to send an email, or you can call us on 01926 333 777. And as always folks, remember, don't just have a good day, have a solid day.